10,000 miles I've traveled. The mad Maudlin goes on 30 toes as I have shoes from gravel. So we sing Bonney boys, Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money. I went down to Lightnin's kitchen for to break my fast one morning, and there I got souls piping hot, all on the spits of turnin. So we sing Bonney boys, Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money. The spirit while I was lying did on that turn and guide me, for the sun to shake and the bells will quake wherever it despite me. So I sing Bonney boys, Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money. Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money. Tonight I'll go a modern, a man on the moon to a powder. His dog goes shaking, his neck all break, and our house a wee bit louder. So let me sing Bonney boys, Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money. I've traveled, the mad Maudlin goes on 30 toes as I have shoes from gravel. So we sing Bonney boys, Bonney man boys, Bedlam boys are Bonney, old Colbert, and they live in the air and they want no drink nor money.